I'm loyal to my family and friends, that won't change. I know some people think that I'm not much more than just strange, but I'm okay with that. If anybody thinks that I'm weird, I'll be myself unapologetically with no fear.
Yo, I am who I am, and I'm doing the best I can just to be the best man that I can be. I'm keeping it real and only speaking what I feel. Only speaking what I feel, what I feel. Yo, I am who I am, and I'm doing the best I can just to be the best man that I can be. I'm keeping it real and only speaking what I feel. Only speaking what I feel, what I feel. I'm so thankful for this life I have, for this life I have, for this life I have. I'm so thankful for this life I have, for this life I have, for this life I have.
My confidence is up, I feel so much better. I hope this feeling that I have right now could last forever. So happy, it's all good, no stress, I feel blessed. Today is not just a good day, it's honestly the best. I know it sounds corny and it may seem stupid, but I feel incredible, so I'm making some happy music. I'm feeling invincible, yeah, I'm feeling better than ever. I won't let myself sink to depression again, never.
Yo, I am who I am, and I'm doing the best I can just to be the best man that I can be. I'm keeping it real and only speaking what I feel. Only speaking what I feel,